Okay, I want to show you how to utilize a listing and an open house. Like you see here, here's an open house ad on Facebook. I wouldn't do it like this. I'm going to show you a better way in just a moment. With this ad, they've got some content here. It's from today, November 9th, 2019, property address, and then click, and it takes me to a lead form inside Facebook. There's a much better way to do this. There's the lead form right here. There's a better way that will do so much more for you. You want to take this listing, and I know you want to promote the property, but you also want to use it to build your real estate business. And you could do that with a video ad on Facebook. It'll do so much more for you. Here's a mobile preview, which is the most important thing, how your ad looks on mobile. This is an ad we're running, same day, open house, 11/9. We set this up the other day for an agent working with Postaprop, and we created a video ad for him. Why is this important? Well, it displays more than that single image, right? It tells you more about the property, and most importantly, everybody that watches this video is added to the custom audience for the agent. So they don't even have to click here, which we want them, of course. At the end of this video, it has a call to action. Hurry, it won't last. Tap below for photos and details, right? So they click here, and we're taking them through the lead capture process, and I'll get to that in a moment. But the key here is using video. Take your listings, take your open houses, use a short video, and with this video, you can create a custom audience. And you can get thousands of people in your local market who may be interested in real estate. They might be 4 or 6 months out. That's okay. And maybe they're not ready to buy, or they don't like this home. It's not for them, but they watched the video, but they didn't click here to give up the lead information. With the Facebook video ad, you could use this to create what's called a custom audience, and then show them follow-up ads. Hey, you looked at our house over here. Here's a list of 10 more homes in the same price range. Check it out. You could run those same ads, similar ads to the same group of people who watch this initial video ad. It is one of the best ways you can build a real estate business on Facebook. It's called retargeting, and video views are really effective with that. And you just want to make sure you use the right video length, and of course you want to drive traffic and capture leads, right? Which that video will do for you. So after watching the video, we want people to click this, and we are taking them not to a lead form, but a lightning fast Facebook integrated landing page from Postaprop. So this page loads in about 4/10 of a second, so it's instantly popping up on their mobile or desktop, and then one click lead capture. Very smooth transition from the ad to lead capture, while a Facebook lead form like this might convert at 8 to 14 or 15%. Postaprop landing pages with the Facebook integration will convert at a much higher rate. We've tested them in all markets. You're looking at 20% and up. In some cases, over 40% clicks converted into leads. So this is the setup you want to use. Video ad, like this, driving traffic to the Postaprop landing page for instant and high converting lead capture. Would you like to learn more? Go to postaprop.com, check out a demo, features of our service. It's inexpensive. You'll love the cost. Check out live examples. You'll see case studies as you scroll down the page. And just check out everything that we offer. Not only those landing pages, but lead follow-up. We've got instant email and text follow-up, as well as drip series with both email and text, all at a great price for you. Check out postaprop.com.